We have Refex, Off-Season Ultimate, Paso, Fingers Crossed, and Foot Tracks. We have Puyal on defense right now. We have on the line LP, Lakshmi Priya, Stephen. We have Tamil, Ravina, and one other female person. I'm sorry, I don't know her name. GK. And on stall 7, we have Battery, Shanmugam, Roshni, Dikka, and Ishta. The pull is going up. Shanmugam is at the disc. Swings it to Ishta. To Dikka. On the sideline. Playing that handler weave system, which is working for them. Nice work. They have this neat handler movement going on. They seem to be getting the disc. Oh, that's a D, and then he gets a really reflexive catch, and it's scored by stall 7. Roshni scores it. Okay, on the line, we have for stall 7 on defense, we have Karthi, we have Akash, Namrita, Dikka, and Faizan. The pull is going up. On Puyal, we have Tamil, Ravina, Shri, JP, they've called for a brick. Starting to get sunny over here. 1-0. To stall 7. The play starts. We have Faizan going for the D. Oh, there was a clash. Waiting to see what the call is. Is there a call? Seems like there was definite contact. We just wanted to know if it's impacting the play, if it's dangerous play. No call, call is retracted.
Nice deep.
Akash is walking to pick up the disc. They're setting up into a horizontal stack. Akash to Dikka. Goes on the sideline, Akash goes up line. Gets a disc, oh it's a D. Nice D by Puyal. I'm sorry, that's not JP. It's number 3 who got the D on the line for Puyal. Little overshot, but nice look. Akash is walking up to the disc again. We have a horizontal stack set up again. Akash is looking to center the disc. He does. Karthi with the disc. Back to Akash. Gives it to Dikka. We have Faizan giving a click. Dika throws it up into the end zone. Will she? Nice D. That was a really good bid by Puyal. Two people from stall 7 went for the disc. There's a call being addressed over there. It's a contested call. The disc is going to come back to Dika. Dika's looking to center, I guess. Oh, okay, play is not started. Violation. So violation is when the play has not started and people are still moving around. She centers it to Karthi. Back to Dika. We have Karthi going upline. Good defense by Puyal. Akash gets it upline on the sideline. We have one male poach. Oh, a very narrow throw. Would have been a really good catch if he had made it. Stolzen back on defense. Puyal is going for the diagonal stack. They centered it to Tamil. We have Tamil streaking deep. They're looking for assistance. Yeah, he throws it to Shri. Shri to Tamil again. Nice bid by Faizan. And Tamil takes off at the cost of the bid. Will he score it? He's going to come down to the disc. And that's a score by Puyal Tamil. We have Tarakai who's going to call the line now.
On stall 7, we have Battery, Shan, Mukesh, Roshni, Ashwini. Puyal up with a pull. It's landed out of bounds. This is the first time in Chennai that we're playing 5v5. It's usually 7v7. Trying to follow WIFTIF rules. Shan's picked up the disc. Taking it from the center. Looks like Puyal is having a zony pochi look. Disc is from Shan to Ash. It's a zone. It's a D. Nice D. And the D again. Ash got her redemption. Stall 7 is with the disc again, playing offense. 3 people in the zone. So they have one wingy deep and the other also is the wing. Centers it. Disc to Battery. There's a call on field with contact. Battery to Shan. Shan to Ash. Ash to Shan. Shan to Roshni. And That's a blady throw. And the disc is back with Puyal. This is Puyal's offensive point. Will they be able to score this? LP. LP to Annamalai. Annamalai, that's a D by Mukesh. This is a chance for stall 7 to get a break. Sorry guys, looks like stall 7 started on O. So stall 7, if they score this, it is their point. Rakesh to Saint to Anu to Rakesh to LP, back to Rakesh, looking for a swing, and that's a turn, disc back with stall 7. Shan is picking up the disc. And that's a D. Puyal has a chance for taking a break. Saint with the disc.
Puyal playing offense deep in the end zone. They call a timeout. So I'm going to take some time to introduce our sponsors. We have Paso Sports Fitness Clinic. They have provided us with 2 to 3 physiotherapists for both the days. And they've been doing a fantastic job. They're available on Instagram at Vallabh Ortho, VALLABORTHO. Then we have FootTrax. FootTrax is a wearable GPS device made in India which tracks player movements during the game, which enables players, coaches, and teams to make data-driven decisions on individual and team performance. The data will be freely available to players and teams who wear the device while playing. Then we have our own fingers crossed, a homegrown jersey brand by some of our very own community members on Chakra. They have come on board to sponsor gifts for the male matching plus female matching MVPs and MSPs for Refex Beach Nationals 2023. And finally, we have Refex and Off-Season Ultimate. These are both known familiar names in our community by now and need no introduction. They've been doing a really good job in the field of Ultimate. They are the title sponsors for this Beach Nationals 2023. The timeout is 1 minute long. Each team gets 1 timeout per game. Puyal has used theirs now. When the timeout is ended, the offense team has to set up first. Once they're set, their players can't move. Then the defense will go set up accordingly. So Puyal seems to be setting up in a horse stack, which is a horizontal stack. We have one player from stall 7 on poach, which is Ashwini. They push them to the end zone, sideline. They center it back. Pushing them back into the sideline. The throw goes up high. We have Battery who comes up with the disc, and that's a D. Score is still 1-all. Seems to be a very long point. The sport requires a lot of stamina, especially when you're playing on beach. And when the points go this long, the players are showing really good resilience. It's a violation call. I think the player started moving before the disc was checked in. A check-in is basically if the person has a disc, the defender who's closest to the person with the disc has to tap the disc and the play goes live. We have Shan hucking the disc to Mukesh. Mukesh catches it comfortably. We have Roshni streaking deep and Ash. And he pushes it to Ash on the sideline. We have Shan getting the reset. And to Ash, that's a score. Long point, 2-1 to stall 7. Long point comes to an end. We have OVP, which is Odi Vilayadu Papa, who's our video sponsors, video partners. They've been doing a really good job getting coverages from Field 1, uploading the matches in time for us to review it. The pull is going up. From stall 7, we have Dikka, Nam, Faizan, Akash and Ishta on the line. For Puyal, it's Ravina, Shri, Tamil. Number 3, I still don't know who that is. And we have GK. On offense, it seems to be a handler movement on the sideline. Quick 1-2 passes. They swing the disc to the other side of the field. Puyal is on the front foot, making clean passes. That's a call. There was contact on the disc mark, from the disc mark. Puyal centers the disc. Puyal goes up. And it's a score by Tamil. Scores 2-all. We have Puyal on defense. On the line we have Anu, GK, Tamil, LP and Tokyo. And on offense we have stall 7, Battery, Dikka, Roshni, Ashwini and Shanmugam, Shan. It was a very low pass in the defending end zone for stall 7. Puyal picks up the disc near to their end zone. Tamil with the disc, throws a hammer and goes a little beyond. Shan with the disc. I think Puyal seems to be throwing a zone, a 2-women zone, playing up front. Shan swings it to Ash. Back to Shan. Shan centers it to Ash. It's a drop. Puyal have it in the center of the field, closer to their end zone. With Tokyo picking up the disc. Disc goes up really high. It's a blady throw, tough to catch. Stolzen back on offense. Plays going live. They're throwing the zone again. Two women zone. Shan throws it to Ash, to the center of the field, to Dikka, to Battery. That was a nice bit by Puyal. Battery throws it long, and Tamil comes off the disc. Little too short for Roshni. Floated a little too much. Roshni's on the disc mark for Tamil. Shan marking LP on the sideline. The throw was brought down by Tamil on the sideline. Really good grab. And it's a score. That's a break point for Puyal. Puyal goes up 3-2. Break points are always crucial. That's put Puyal on the front foot. Puyal with the pull. It was a very blady rolling pull. Disc lands close to the sideline. Akash picks up the disc. It's a zone again, or a Pochi zone. Gets it on the sideline again. Good throw to the center. Mukesh to Dikka. Dikka to Karthi. Oh, that was a really brilliant D. And then Mukesh comes down with the disc. That was a really good catch. Unfortunate for the defender. That was a brilliant bid. The cutter never gave up and still made the score. Scores the 3-all. And please excuse my excitement. We have Shrikesh, who's calling the lines, giving the set plays out for Team Puyal. And then we have Buddy, who's been calling the line for Stall 7 and making the plays for them. Buddy has been a really good coach for the Indian team. He coached the AOUGC India team, which went to China, and they came back with the bronze. Pulls going up. We have Stephen, Ravina, Shri, Raina, and Flying Company on offense. Stephen picks up the disc. Quick 1-2s. Seems to be a handler movement. Stephen streaks deep. Someone else comes to fill in his place. Stolzen making the move laterally. Puyal being pushed back. Little overshot. Puyal couldn't catch that disc. Stolzen is picking the disc from the, for me it's the left side of the field, which is a strong zone because the wind has been blowing from left to right. It's always beneficial to have the disc on this side, the left side. Quick passes. Shan fix. Upline by Karthi. Shan goes upline and it's a score. He toes it. That's a break point again. Stolzen's first break gives them the lead again. It's 4-3 to Stolzen. Truth be told, Chennai is being kind to us. I think it's because of the rains last night. The sands are still cool. Stolzen getting ready to pull. We have Ishta, Mukesh, Namrita, Roshni and Battery. And on offense we have Shri, Tamil, LP, Anu, and L3. The pull falls in the end zone. Little more pressure. Oh, unfortunate for Puyal. It was a nice pass. Just a small misjudgment, I guess. Stolzen with the disc. Mukesh has it. Looking to reset. Resets to Battery. Little overshot. Battery comes on the disc. Throws it to Ishta. Ishta gets a disc. We have Ishta to Namrita. Tamil gets a D for Puyal. On the sideline. Oh, that's a D again. Ishta is walking to pick up the disc from the center of the field. As an offensive team, you always want the disc to be in the center. Gives you more space on left and right. Roshni throws it to Nam. Nam's on the sideline. Nam looking to center the disc. Centers it to Roshni. Roshni to Battery. Battery with a nice around throw, but then Tamil reads it and D's it. Puyal gets their offensive hold back. So when the disc goes out of bounds, we have 15 seconds to get the play going. Disc has to go live in 15 seconds. Disc is live. Check-in is done. Centers the disc to LP. LP to Tamil. I think it's a marking infraction call. It's accepted by the disc mark. LP with the disc. Swings it back to Tamil. Tamil goes deep, throws up, and Tamil with a brilliant cut. Good throw by Puyal. I'm guessing it's number 11. Nice pass along the line. Scores 4 all. On defense, it's a 3 women point. So every 2 points, the gender ratio has to change. At the start of the game, there is a toss to see which ratio we start off with. And the subsequent point, the ratio changes. And thereon and thereforth, every 2 points, ratio changes. So when the gender is 3 women, the women have to pull according to the rules. So we have LP getting ready to pull. We have GK on the line, Stephen, Surya and Ravina. The opponents have to match the gender ratio by rule. The pull goes up. It's a nice flat pull. Akash picks up the disc, centers it to Ash. Ash to Akash. Akash to Shan. Centers it to Ash. She breaks it to Dikka. Back to Ash. To Akash. Shan gets a disc in the sideline. Marking infraction. There was a little bit contact. Accepted. Ash has the disc right now. Shan to center. To Dikka. Back to Shan. There's a little bit of contact. I would say it's non-incidental, but then contact nevertheless. Ash with a fake. Ash with a really good composure over there on her knees. Did some shin boxes to get that throw away. Contact again. Resolved immediately. Disc put to action. Dikka with a nice break to Roshni. Dikka goes upline. Roshni to Shan. Shan gives it to Akash. Akash to Shan. That's a quick 1-2s. Back to Shan. Closer to the end zone. Shan's with the disc. Breakthrough and it's a score by Dikka. Scores 5-4 to stall 7 fire. India has always put their focus on mixed ultimate. It's very crucial for us to bridge that gender barrier gap. And it's been working really well for us. We have the Women's Ultimate Fellowship, where we have women-driven ultimate programs to build leadership skills, give more voices to the women. Scores 5-4. Karthi with the pull. Pulls flat to the sideline. Puyal quickly centers it. Tamil has a disc right now. Shri with the disc. Shri throws a little high and it's a D. Sarvesh throws it to Faizan. Faizan to Karthi. Karthi to Dikka. Dikka to Faizan. Faizan is on this right side of the field. Dikka gets it on the sideline. Dikka throws it. And Karthi comes down. That's a break point. Stolzen 6. And Puyal is 4. We have Puyal offense line ready to receive the disc. All 5 players have to have 1 foot on the line, end zone line. I have to signal readiness by putting their hand up. Stolzen goes up with the pull. A nice around pull which lands inbounds at the end zone. They have to pick it up at the spot. Karthi getting ready to disc mark. On the sideline. Ravina gets it on the sideline. We have Tamil going up line. Defended by LP with a really good catch, which is going away from her. Resets it back to Tamil on the sideline. We have Karthi, disc mark. Gives it to Tokyo. Faizan with the disc mark. Tokyo resets it to Ravina on the sideline. She centers it to Tamil. Goes up with a really high hammer, which is floating away. Little hard to judge. Let's see if he comes down. Unfortunate, goes out of bounds. So the wind is blowing from left to right. So when the hammer went up, the disc kept going towards the right. Little hard for the cutter who went for the disc to judge it because it was over his head. He had to look back. Sun in his eyes. Excuse the rollers. Commenting for the first time. Shan is walking up to the end zone line with the disc. Centers it with a breakthrow to Dikka. Dikka throws it long. Faizan is going up, going away from him a little bit. Oh, Tamil down with the disc. Tamil is all over the place. Faizan with the disc mark. There's a call. There was a contact. No. Tamil is signaling elsewhere to the field. They're playing a word stack. Tamil centers it to Tokyo. Tokyo with a nice long pull, but then like it was going down from the beginning. Quick start by stall 7. Dika gets a disc to Roshni on the sideline. Roshni tries to center to Shan. Shan gets a disc. Shan to Dika. Dika down with the disc. Dika to Karthi. Shan goes long. Oh, LP with a really good D on the lane. Quick start by them. Centers it to Tamil. Tamil has a disc. Tamil with a nice IO break. Oh, nice pressure by Karthi. Karthi set up his pivot inside the end zone, so he has to make the pass from there. Otherwise, he could have come to the end zone line. Dika with the disc. Oh, that was a cheeky snatch by Tamil at the end zone line. Nice breakthrough, and they get that point. That's 6-5 to Puyal. Pull's going to go up. Shree's getting ready to pull. Stolson is ready. Signal readiness. It's a pretty high pull against the wind. Falls little middle to the field. Middle of the field. It's a poachy defense with one person in the IO lane. This center to the Akash with the disc right now. To Battery on the sideline, back to Akash. Quick giving goes. Center to Dikka. Dikka to Ishta, it's a drop. Annamalai picks up the disc. Breaks it to Shri. Shri throws it to Rakesh. Rakesh to Annamalai. Annamalai throws it to Anu. Oh, unfortunate. Stall 7 has to pick up the disc from the sideline. As I was saying earlier, the wind is blowing from left to right. So the place where Stall 7 is picking up the disc is kind of called the weak zone. So they have to quickly look to center the disc ideally. But every team can have its own strategy. She centers the disc with a nice IO break to Battery. To Dikka, to Battery again. To Ishta in the center of the field. Close to the end zone now. To Ash. Dikka goes to the cut. Gets the disc. Nice cut and score by Stall 7. Scores 7-5 to Stall 7. It's a timeout call by Stolzen Fire. Timeouts are 1 minute long. Puyal had earlier used their timeout. Now Stolzen using their only timeout at the second half of the game. 7-5, that was half time. In this beach format, we don't have break for halftime. You just quickly change positions and start play. At this point, Stolzen chose to use their timeout. We have Shrikesh calling the line. Shrikesh was the manager for the under 24 team, the India team which went to the AOUGC, Philippines. Under 24 team illa, it was Team India. The only characteristic, the distinct characteristic of the team was every player was under 24. It was Team India mixed, which went to AOUGC, went all the way to semi-finals. Stolzen getting ready to pull. Ishta with the pull. Shri picks up the disc. Centers it to Tamil. We have a zone right here by stall 7. Namrata with the disc mark. Oh, nice try by Karthi. Good pressure. This goes out of bounds. And stall 7 is on offense. Karthi picks up the disc on sideline. Passes it to Roshni. Upline to Nam. Nam to Roshni. Little congested in the end zone. Karthi has the disc on sideline. Looks to center. To Nam. It's a score. I wasn't expecting that. I thought she was online, but then she was well in. So scores 8-5 to stall 7 Fire. To Tamil, and that's a score. Scores 8-6 to stall 7 Fire. Okay, online we have Anu, Ravina, Tamil, Aravind and Stefa playing defense. Tamil getting ready to pull. Goes with a forehand bladey pull. Lands inbounds. It was a really nice pull. Since it rolled out of bounds, Shan gets to take it from the start of the end zone. Shan is looking to center. Throws an upline, but deed by Tamil. Tamil picks up the disc immediately. It's a missed throw. Pretty tight defense there by Stolzen Fire, going with a flat mark. Shan throws it to Dikka. Dikka throws it to Roshni. Roshni to Akash. Nice inside out break. Dikka throws it long to Battery. And Tamil comes down with it again. Tamil hucks it now. Looking to finish the point quickly to Stifa. Stifa gets it comfortably inside the end zone. And it's a score 8-7 to Puyal Lightning. And that's a break point for them. (8-7) to Stolzen Fire. That was a break point by Puyal Lightning. LP with the pull. Falls bang in the middle of the field. Shan picks it up to Ash. There's a call. Small contact. Downfield. Resolved quickly. Hence there was a stoppage. Ash is just checking to see where the positions were. Player positions. Okay. Calls have been resolved. Play goes live. Ash to Dikka, Dikka to Ash. Ash fakes and throws it to Karthi. There's a call. Pick call. A pick call is when there's interference running through between you and your person. You need to be 3 meters within your person to make the call in general. Dikka's on the sideline with the disc. Centers it to Ash. Ash looks for the one more. Optional shot. That was a nice layout D by Tokyo. And he throws a bladey throw to Tamil. Will he come down with the disc? Umbrella falls in front of me. Tamil got the disc. It's a score. That's 2 back-to-back breaks by Puyal Lightning. Puts him on par with Stolzen Fire. Scores 8-all. The time is up. Looks like it's universal point. Game to 9. Puyal Lightning on defense. Stall 7 on offense. We have Ravina, GK, Aravind, Tamil and LP on Puyal playing the universal point. We have Battery, Akash, Roshni, Dikka and Ash playing offense. Pull goes up. Who's going to come down with that point? Who's going to give them that win? Akash receives a pull, catches it. Dikka to Ash. Ash resets it to Akash. Akash centers it to Dikka. Dikka to Rosh. Rosh throws it to Battery. Throws it at Dikka. Dikka was not ready for that, I guess. Unfortunate drop. Puyal is on offense right now. Aravind goes for the cut. Got faked. Dikka goes for the layout bid. Really nice bid. Unfortunate. Ravina still gets that catch. Forces forehand. Aravind gets the disc. And Puyal Lightning wins the game with a nice upline pass along the sideline. Well fought game down to the wire. Scores 9-8 to Puyal Lightning. With that, the morning session has come to an end. We have Refex, Off-Season Ultimate, Paso Clinic, Fingers Crossed and Foot Tracks who are our sponsors for this Refex Beach Nationals 2023. Thank you, folks.